For this section, I'm going to be doing 2 because, well, not really 2, more like 1.5. Here's the dragonfly wing. You know, it's just sort of it's a dragonfly wing. It does look like the rose bush looking thing, and you can't see the membrane very well in between, so I don't know whether it just can't stay there or if it's something different, but I guess it's not as bad as I thought it was the original time. But basically, I've already looked at a dragonfly wing before, so no. Skipping that and going to the mosquito wing. If I can find it. Is that it? Well, darn. Huh. It's really hard to see. I guess mosquitoes do have really small wings, but still, jeez. I went by that like 5 times, didn't I? But yeah, wonder why. Like, well, then again, mosquitoes have to land on moving objects and, well, deal with things attacking them more, so I imagine they would need flexible wings, because, yeah, the other wings, they probably wouldn't be able to handle the movement of a mosquito wing, so that makes sense. I mean, think about it, you know, if you're a mosquito, you're trying to land on animals and people who are always moving, always kind of undulating, and who are going to attack you. So you probably need to have flexible wings in order to be able to, like, all of a sudden, back up, or turn quickly, or, you know, with other animals, I mean, flies, yes, you have to worry about angry humans, but in general, they're not landing on humans, they're more scavengers. Meanwhile, mosquitoes are close to parasites, so... Interesting. Okay, let's turn the thing around. I can look at it this way. I can still find it. Interesting. But yeah, it's very hard to see, which is definitely a downside, because, yeah, you can just see right through it. Unfortunately, but... Like, yeah, this section... Darn it. I moved the thing. If I can find it again. There it is. This section, yeah, you can see, like, it's clearly there, but over here... Like, you go by it and think, no, that was just my eyes seeing something, because it's that easy to see through. Yeah, that's pretty much in focus. It's just that transparent. Interesting. But yeah, definitely. I'm trying to see right there, but I can't. Like, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 lines there, including the ones on the outer edge. But yeah, like, it's definitely much less... Okay, it's much more transparent, much more difficult to handle. Because, yeah, I mean, just look at that. Even in the, like, thick sections, you can still see through it. There's, like, one part where there isn't, so... It's interesting. Wonder if there are any other mosquito parts in here. There's fly mouth parts, and, you know... What the heck? The mantis stuff. But yeah, anyway. Wait, let's see. Oh, we got different honeybee legs. Grasshopper wing. Something called a cyclops, which I need to Google that, because, I mean, I know cyclops is like the mythical creature, but, yeah. Hydra. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here that I need to Google, so yeah. Anyway, that was a mosquito wing.